से भैया ले जाए। तब तक आप बनाओ वीडियो।
लगता है खिलाड़ी के हाथ में गंभीर चोट लगी है। बार बार खिलाड़ी अपने हाथ को झटका दे रहे हैं। सो दैट्स मीन क्लियर दैट कि तुम्हें लगी है। नाउ टेक इट एंड oh, it's so sad. Take. Now please. अच्छी आनी चाहिए। You know what? ये क्या है?
पता नहीं।
इसका एग्जाम्पल वहाँ पे लगा पड़ा है, वहाँ पे देख सकते हो आप।
हाँ लगा तो है।
और आपको क्या देखो, मैं फ्लावर दिखाता हूँ। यहाँ पे फ्लावर की कमी नहीं है।
वो तो मैं देख ही रहा हूँ फ्लावर्स।
थोड़ा जलपान हो जाए, जलपान जरूरी है।
जलपान। ओए मोबाइल गीला हो जाएगा।
ओहो, जलपान होना बहुत जरूरी है आज के युग में।
तेज बोलो।
जलपान, जलपान।
मेरे हंसने की आवाज आ रही होगी इसमें।
Okay, it's a flower of you call it them yellow flower and like that sunflower. Otherwise, D114. I don't know that, but I'm going there. I'm going there. I'm going there. You know there is some particular part of like that this one who's provided the water of whole ground. You know, see, board. You know that like that D for donkey. You can dog. You can say dog, and this one 4. That's mean 1 plus 1 2 and plus 4 6. Total include you know like that 6. Okay, now we go and nothing is particular here. This one the meter, you know that like that. If you will push this button, then whole water which is supplying of ground you know stopped. Who will stopped? And like that this one pushed, you will you can say like that this one, that if you will push this button, then whole meter will be closed. So we'll I don't want to do like that work because work on in progress, and I don't want to interrupt on their work. Now come here, it's a tree of I don't know her its name, but you can like that beautiful tree. Yes, flowers is so beautiful, which always here is beauty of this flower. Zoom. Camera, zoom.
जूम ही है।
You know, cameraman, come here side. You know, it's a beautiful flower, and it's always increase your beauty of the ground. And whole customers comes here for showing this one. It's you know like that a travel place. Where is the some particular client comes. You know, I don't know like that. I don't know running to bike, but I will early teach to run bike. If God with me, God bless with me, then I will early run bike. Okay. It's beautiful flower. It's a beautiful flower. So which is called you that lotus, like that kamal. You can Hindi word say it's a kamal. It's beauty of you will, if you will see some pictures of Ma Saraswati, always in their hand, and he also sitting on this flower, you know. Okay, now come here me. Come here me. It's the same, but the flavor change. You know, this is rose, and it's a pink color, and it's increase the beauty of this ground. Okay. Now come. Here's the sunrises. When the midnight comes on, then this will be on the light, and it's increase, and as I say you that increase the beauty of this ground. You can so like that, you know, it's a beautiful ground, it's a beautiful place here, and whole flowers increase the beauty of this ground. Thank you so very much, and best of luck. I'm going my office side inside. Sir, may I come in? Look here. It's today's boss here, and you can meet them, and some, if you wanted information about this office, you can take them. Now please show me, please show me in camera. Here, show me. I'm sitting here, and now I want to do 1 cup coffee and with biscuits. Please, cameraman, you stop the camera and please serve right now. I'm sitting here. Okay, thank you so very much.